Meaning of exercise.
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 Exercise. Exercise refers to a physical activity that is carried out with the intention of improving or maintaining one's health and fitness. Regular exercise has numerous benefits for the body, such as increasing muscle strength and endurance, improving cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and enhancing overall well-being. It can also have positive effects on mental health, such as reducing anxiety and depression symptoms. Engaging in regular exercise is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle and can contribute to a longer, happier life.